Yeah, all of you do that question, 16th question. Prove that the function given by f of x is equal to log sin x, strictly increasing, strictly decreasing. I already explained this question, okay? Okay, f of x is log sin x. What is derivative of log sin x?
One
Yes,
by sin x into cos
Cortex.
1 by sin x
1 by
into sin
sin
x
x into
derivative cos x. That is final f dash of x is
Cortex.
cot x. Yeah. Finally, you got f dash of x is cot x. Now check that whatever the check in that interval whether it is f dash of x is greater than or less than. Okay, find f dash of x. Log chain rule. Apply chain rule. First log derivative is 1 by sin x derivative is cos. The final f dash of x value cos by sin cot x. Here we can prove that this function is strictly increasing on 0 to pi by 2. Okay, in the interval 0 to pi by 2, not closed, open interval. If it is closed interval, what will happen here? If it is closed, like closed means the value endpoints are belongs to the given interval. What is cot 0? Cot 0 is undefined. So f dash of x will get infinite. Infinite is nothing but not differentiable. Undefined. So that open interval. Okay. So in this open interval, whatever the value you can substitute here, will get finite. Finite nothing but it should be greater than. So in this interval means this is clearly belongs to quadrant one, first quadrant. In first quadrant, what about cot x? Come on, cot x always greater than 0. Okay, cot x is greater than 0. What is cot x actually? F dash of x. So f dash of x is clearly greater than 0. Greater than 0 for x belongs to 0 to pi by 2 in this interval. Therefore, greater than 0 means f of x is strictly increasing. That's it. But what about here? Another strictly decreasing. Second quadrant. Second quadrant clearly cot is negative. Only sign cosecant are positive. Cot is negative in second quadrant. But third quadrant cot is positive. Okay, so interval in interval open interval 90 to 180, cot x clearly less than 0, strictly less than 0. Okay, whenever cot x is in this interval, cot x is less than 0, what is cot x value? Cot x value is f dash of x. F dash of x is less than 0. Therefore, whenever it is less than 0, f of x is strictly decreasing in 92. That's it. So on this interval, f of x strictly decreasing because less than 0. Why f dash of x is less than 0? Cot x is less than 0. First quadrant, all ratios are trigonometric ratios are positive only. but you have to more concentrate on interval, whether they give an open interval or closed interval, right? Okay, as it is, we can do the 17th question. 17th question is log of cos x. That you can do very easy. I already explained that question. Question number 18. Yeah, do it first. Question number 18 also, prove that the function given by f of x is equal to x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 100 is increasing. Question itself, they given solution, we can prove that it is increasing. So increasing means greater than or equal to 0. It is f of x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 100. What will you do? Just differentiate. We'll get f dash of x. That f dash of x, we can check that whether it is greater than or equal to 0 or not. For any value of x. So, in real number, for every real number, we can prove that it is increasing function. Okay, differentiate this f dash of x is equal to 3x square 3 into 2x plus 3 into 1 minus 0. So f dash of x, we got 3x square minus 6x plus 3. Is it greater than or equal to 0 for every real number or? Real number means minus infinity to plus infinity. So in that, for negative value, positive value, whatever the value we can substitute, always is it greater than or equal to 0? Yes. I want to know whether it is greater than or less than at minus 100. I want to know at minus 77 by 3. Yes. What will you do is, we want to substitute. Is it possible to substitute to check at each and every value of real number? No. So that here, what is the common here? 3 is common. X square minus 2x plus 1. Nothing but 3 into, this can be written as x minus 1 whole square. Observe here, 3 always greater than 0. Here, x minus 1 always, square is always greater than or equal to 0. Substitute x is equal to 1. 1 is a real number. 1 is real number. 1 minus 1 is 0. Except 1, you can substitute 0, minus 1. So like minus infinite to plus infinite. Any value you can substitute here. So square of any number will always greater than or equal to 0. This is 3 already greater than 0. This value is greater than or equal to 0. So finally, what can we conclude here? Otherwise, we can write down like clearly 3 greater than 0 and x minus 1 whole square is greater than or equal to 0. Since square of any number, any real number is positive or greater than or equal to 0. Okay, so now both will be, so f dash of x is equal to 3 into x minus 1 whole square is greater than or equal to 0. So f dash of x is greater than or equal to 0. Whenever it is greater than or equal to 0, therefore f of x is increasing, not strictly increasing. Increasing function. Given function is always increasing. Any doubts here? So like that you can write in square. Otherwise we cannot write. So write down nth proved. Nth proved. Next check. Next question. Question number 19. Last question. Objective question. The interval in which y is equal to x square into e power minus x is increasing with respect to x. Yes, tell me which one of the option is right. Clearly they are increasing. On which interval it will be increasing. So find x values. Yes. Differentiate. Find f dash of x and clearly they given to check increasing function. Y is equal to x square e power minus x. Y dash x square e power minus x is e power minus x into minus 1. E power minus x minus x derivative minus 1 plus e power minus x as it is now x square derivative 2x. Product rule UV formula u dv by dx plus v du by dx x square 2x. Again here common is e power minus x is common. Remain here x square minus x square. Yes, 2x minus x square minus x square plus 2x. Now again e power minus x, here x we can take common, 2 minus x square. So how many functions we got? 3 different functions we got. So here clearly they given greater than. Increasing nothing but it should be greater than or equal to 0. Now we can check for what value of x the total function will be greater than or equal to 0. Look at here, e power minus x or e power plus x or e power minus 2x minus 6, e exponential function always greater than 0. Remember, it may be plus, it may be minus. Minus 100x also greater than 0. Nothing but finally exponential function always greater than 0. Even it should not equal to 0 except it will be infinite. Okay, so always this is greater than 0 already. Then x also should be greater than 0. X greater than 0. 2 minus x also should be greater than 0. Okay, all values should be greater than or equal to 0. Greater than or equal to 0, then only it will be. Okay, so x greater than or equal to 0, 2 minus x. Observe here. This is automatically greater than 0 for all values. From minus infinite to infinite, e power x is always greater than 0. But here, this x is should be greater than 0, more than 0. And now, this 2 minus x greater than or equal to 0, then 2 greater than or equal to x. Take x right side. Nothing but x less than or equal to 2. So x must be greater than 2. So here I am going to draw one real line. Then you will be understand. First, e power minus x should be minus infinity to infinity. It is greater than 0. Minus infinity. Here x will be there. Another function x. So x line. This x must be greater than or equal to 0. Nothing but greater than or equal to 0 means it will starting 0 to up to infinite. Not for negative value. Okay, last one. Last one. 2 minus x will be there. This is also greater than or equal to 0. Nothing but x must be less than or equal to 2. So here 0 will be there, 2 will be there. Here x less than or equal to 2. X less than or equal to 2 means up to 2 to minus infinite. Here the interval 0 to infinite. 0 to infinite. For this x less than or equal to 2, 2 to minus infinite. But for e power minus x, minus infinity to infinity. What is the common region for all three? Real line. Common region. So here, this is real line. Total x value, real number. And here, only positive values. 0 to up to infinite. This value, 2 to minus infinite. The common region is, this is the common region. 0 to 2, 0 to 2 will be there. Here, 0 to 2. So 0 to 2 is the common region, so that what is the option will be right. So 0 to 2 means fourth option will be right. 0 to 2. 0 to 2 is the only common region for all these three functions. Okay. Right, exercise 6.2 is completed. 6.3 also completed. Remaining two exercises will be there. One exercise is related to maximum and minimum. Okay, maximum and minimum. Before that, yesterday I sent some objective question. I don't know how many of you completed that objective. Continuous and differentiability. See, generally, I said that modulus x is continuous, but not differentiable at x is equal to 0. I said why? This point is called the sharp point. I said that at each and every sharp point it is not differentiable. Why? Because of the reason at this point. For example, even if you draw like this, some lines will be there. I am taking the graph of this curve. These points are called sharp point. For this curve, this is sharp. This is continuous. There is no break in that, but it is not differentiable. These 3 points, 1, 2, 3, even 4 also. Because of the reason, see, at this point you can draw the line. See, here we get, let us take the slope of this line is m1. So at this point, for this loop, if we draw the tangent, the slope is m2. Different slopes are there. For this curve at this point, at this sharp point, so for this curve, if I draw the tangent at this common point, slope will be m1. If I draw the tangent to this curve at this point, it will be m2. So m1 not equal to m2. M1 nothing but dy by dx only. M2 nothing but dy by dx only. Two different dy by dx. So slopes will be different, nothing but derivative. Left hand limit should not equal to right hand. Sorry, left hand derivative not equal to right hand derivative. That is the meaning. Here also, this is one line, this is another line. So slope of this line is different. Okay, slope of this line means this is 45 degrees, but this is 135 degrees. Okay, this line is 135. So tan 45 is plus 1, tan 135 is minus 1. So that it is not differentiable, continuous, but not differentiable at this sharp point. Okay, especially in JEE questions or advanced questions like that, they'll ask the number of points the function is not differentiable. So one question is given in objective. Yes, sir. Objective question. Let us see the first question. Sin x by x not equal to 0 plus cos x. Yesterday I sent the objective question. If x not equal to 0 and k if x is equal to 0 is continuous at x is equal to 0, clearly they are given continuous at x is equal to 0, then the value of k. Okay, in tomorrow class I will start the maximum minimum concept. I will explain you the concept and I will start the exercise 6.5. Then after we'll go for 6.4. Okay, today we'll finish that object of continuity and differentiability. So this k value is what? Directly. What is this value? Means we need to find limit x tends to 0 f of x. This is when x is equal to 0 means this is f of 0 value. F of 0 value is clearly k. But what is this limit value? So limit x tends to 0. Sin x by x is clearly sin x by x is plus cos x. Now sin x by x is clearly 1. Now substitute 0 here. Cos 0. What is cos 0? 1, 2. So this value we got 2. This value is clearly k. K is equal to 2 is the answer. Sin x by x is always 1. Cos 0 always 1. So that 1 plus 1, 2. K value is 2. Then I am going to ask one question. The function cot x is discontinuous. The function is cot x is discontinuous on the set. Tell me anyone. X is equal to n pi, n belongs to z. First option. Second option is B option, x is equal to 2n pi, n belongs to z. Third option, C option is x is equal to 2n plus 1, 2n plus 1 pi by 2, same n belongs to z only. D option, x is equal to n pi by 2. N belongs to Z. These are the NCERT objective questions. NCERT, okay? Just tell me. For which option it will be discontinuous? Yes? Discontinuous nothing but cot value should be infinite. For what value of x it will be infinite. Which one of the options is right?
Sir, option B.
2n pi. Yes, say your answer. Anyone?
Sir, option yes, sir.
Option A.
Yes, sir. Option A.
Why don't we take option B?
It
See,
will
it is
not
90.
include all the values, sir.
Yes. So for example, I need 180. 180 means n is the integer. If we take 2 and 5 means cart 0 undefined, cart 180 undefined, cart 360 undefined. For every 180, it will be undefined. But 90, for 90, cart 90 is clearly cart 90. So no. 0. Cot 270, 0. 0 is finite value, whereas 0, 180. So 2 and 5. So we can substitute any value. For any value, we don't get 180. So that 180 doesn't belong to this interval. But at 180, it is undefined. So that option 1 is right. Substitute n is equal to 1, 2, 3 up to plus infinite, minus 1, minus 2, minus infinite, or 0. Each and every value of this n pi cot x is undefined, so that it is not continuous. Good. Yeah, the function e power modulus x. I think so. I asked this question. The function f of x is equal to e to the power of mod x is. First option is continuous everywhere but not differentiable at x is equal to 0. I think so. I asked already. Continuous everywhere but not differentiable. Continuous and differentiable. Second option. Third option, not continuous. And fourth option, none of this. Yes. What is the answer is right? Yes. Is it continuous everywhere?
First option, sir.
First option. Yes or no? See, e power, it is in the form of e power x. E power x always continuous as well as differentiable also. E power x continuous as well as differentiable everywhere. And but modulus, mod x, just I said that it is continuous everywhere but not differentiable at this sharp point at 0. So that it is continuous everywhere but not differentiable at x is equal to 0. Because at 0 will get sharp point. So are not safe. Okay. So like modulus cos x, modulus sin x. They are asking then differentiable everywhere, continuous everywhere, not differentiable. This type of question they'll ask. For example, sin x is there. So first option is everywhere differentiable. This modulus sin x is everywhere differentiable. And second option is everywhere continuous but not differentiable at x is equal to n pi. Everywhere continuous but not differentiable at x is equal to 2n plus 1 pi by 2. Okay, all these questions I sent to you. Once you can try. Okay, if you get any doubts, you can ask. We will discuss. So clearly, here also same. See, sin x is continuous and differentiable. There are two functions. One is sin x, another one it is in the form of modulus x. modulus x. So this sin x is continuous everywhere. Modulus x is continuous everywhere. But modulus sin x is not differentiable. Sin x is differentiable. Modulus sin x is not differentiable. In the same here also, see, because of the reason, if you observe the graph of sin x, what is the graph of sin x? Sin x graph is like sin 0, 0, sin 90 is 1, sin 180 is 0, sin 270 minus 1, 360 again 0. Like that we'll get. This is the graph of sin x graph. What is the graph of modulus sin x? Modulus means this minus becomes a plus. Whatever the negative value will get, for example, 270, sin 270 minus 1, modulus minus 1 plus 1. Okay, if I substitute 270 for sin x, we got minus 1, 1. But whereas modulus of sin 270 minus 1, modulus minus 1, again plus 1, so that we'll get the graph like this. Okay, we'll get the graph in first quadrant as well as like this. So here, how many infinite points will be there? At all these points, the modulus sin x is not differentiable. This is the reason it is not differentiable. Modulus. Only sin x is differentiable. You can take any point everywhere, draw the tangent. So we'll get only one tangent each and every point. You can take anywhere, any point. At that point you can draw the tangent. We get unique tangent. But whereas at this point we get two tangents. Okay, two tangents. So that it is not differentiable. We'll get the sharp point. Okay. So in the same way, this cos x also. So it is continuous everywhere, but not differentiable. The reason is there exists infinite sharp points. Okay. So verify the value of C in Rolle's theorem. Okay. That already we done any other. So all are easy questions only. We don't have any difficult questions here. So I think so this 7th chapter is the integral. That integral will take very less time only. So we had an idea about integration. So this 5th chapter and the 6th chapter alone will take more time. It's taking more time. Already we completed the 5th chapter. See, they asked one question, find the interval in which you can try this question. I'm giving this question to everyone. Just try. Find the intervals in which the function f of x is equal to minus 3 log 1 plus x plus 4 log 2 plus x minus 4 by 2 plus x is strictly increasing or strictly decreasing. Find the interval, nothing but we can find f dash of x, find f dash of x equaling to 0. Do it fast. So in this week till Saturday, everyone remember morning 8 to 9 objective, 9 to 9:50 NCERT. Okay, because of at this end of the month, you may have objective exam. Find derivative and equating to 0. Then just tell me what are the x values. You got it. Yes. What are the x values you got?
X is 2, sir.
X value
2.
x is equal to 2 you got, or 2 values you got.
2 I got, sir.
Everyone got a x value 2 only. Minus 3 by 1 plus x plus 4 by 2 plus x. Minus 4 is common. This side has 1 by x. 1 by x derivative minus 1 by 2 plus x whole square. 1 by x, 1 by x. This is in the form of 1 by x derivative minus 1 by x square. Now what is LCM here? LCM is 1 plus x, 2 plus x the whole square. This minus 3 into 2 plus x the whole square. Here plus 4 into 1 plus x into 2 plus x minus 2 minus plus 4 into this 1 plus x. Now you can simplify. This f dash of x actually equating to 0 so that denominator becomes 0. Cross multiply. This you can equating to 0. Denominator becomes 0. Then what is numerator? Just simplify this numerator. 4 plus x square plus 4x, and here plus 4 into 2 plus 2x plus x 3x plus x square plus 4 plus 4x by, as it is you can write. So now this is equal to minus 12 minus 3x square minus 12x plus 8 plus 12x plus 4x square plus 4 plus 4x.